Hey guys, this week we should be doing an RC boat video, our first RC boat video, but we got an issue with some of them, which we might not be able to do some. But I may give you a tour of the whole house and what we're making now. If you go into Facebook, you've probably already seen Wayfinder, what we've been building. I'll show you them pictures now. Some of these pictures he has not done, but they are not quite that good, because Chandler's not that goodly done. But this is on his thing, and this is the pictures. So I think they're good enough to look far away from. But right now I will show you the issue ones. The issue with this one, that one, is receiver. We got a fault thing, and the tug, which is here, the electrics are gone. That's a lifeboat, and that's a different tug. But yeah, I'll give you a tour on little bits of them when I'm there. And day after tomorrow, we should be having a video of me with the boats. That is due in 2 days. So subscribe for the latest updates. And this is not all the boats. This is one of the boats that we're working on, this one. That's at the front. That's at the front there. That's at the front again. That's at the side. That winch is very weird. I don't really like it that much because it is quite big and weird. But that boat, about 53 inches, that. And that, we had to borrow a motor from for that thing. That has a lot of detail. That one doesn't. That's one that's faulty. And then the cruiser, what we called that one, called a cruiser because it's obviously a cruiser. But that, we needed to use the remote for this, that one. That is one of kind boat. We've had it on a model and then all that. Then I'm just going to do a quick swipe to all the models we've been doing. That's Wayfinder. And that's the tug again. That's Battleship again. That one. And in 2 days on that exact video, we should be playing with that. That goes like 44 mile per hour, 45 mile per hour, and then it's easy to flip over. It goes like bing, 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 bing. It goes exactly like that. And that trawler, we've almost done the rudder. That trawler there. That's a tug that I'm on about. That's bloke. The electrics are gone. So, bye. Have a nice day. Subscribe and like the video. Bye bye.